This is Rob Polgar with Polgar Tree, and I'm on the island here, Groseal, and I'm on a private drive, so this fence ain't even opening. So we're starting from here. We're gonna clear the fence, and it's not going all the way up, but probably, I don't know, 10-12 feet, enough where they can walk through here. So here's the fence right here, and this has got to be weed whipped, so it's a lot of trees like this, and as you can see, there's the fence, and so this goes all the way around. It's got to be cleaned all the way over there to the house, and it's the same all the way around. This shrub gets saved, and this here this tree gets saved as well. Here, it's not looking healthy, but she's saving it. So then once again, come over here, there's the fence. All this stuff like this gets cut away all the way around to the house.